Yo, let's go smoke this marijuana.
You know what's in that stuff?
No, all I know is it's cool.
It's not cool. There's all this stuff in it that can kill you.
Like what?
There's shredded leaves, stems, seeds, and flowers of the hemp. This stuff may not sound harmful, but it is. Do you really want to die at a young age? I mean, you are blind, but you're not that dumb.
You know what? You're right. I don't want to die at a young age. I want to be drug-free. Let's stand together, side by side, and be drug-free. 3. Yo, let's go smoke. 3. Let's stand together, side by side, and be drug-free.